With the Socialive mobile app, you can capture video, participate in broadcasts and live streams from anywhere in the world. All you need is a phone and an internet connection. Using the mobile app, you can capture video and share it instantly with your team. It's the easiest way to record video on the go. Here's how. Step 1. Sign into the Socialive app. Step 2. Select the record option from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Record your video. Frame yourself up using the camera. Once you're ready to go, just tap the red record button at the top of the screen. The status bar will say recording. Step 4. To end your recording, just tap the end button. And that's it. Once you're finished, your video will upload automatically to your team's Socialive library, where they can access it within seconds. With the Socialive mobile app, you can also join video broadcasts as a remote guest. It's an easy way to participate in split-screen style conversations. Here's how. Step 1. In the Socialive app, tap the channel you want to join. Step 2. Select your broadcast. Once you select your channel, tap the Join option from the bottom menu. You'll see broadcasts you've been invited to. Find your broadcast and tap Join. Step 3. Turn your phone landscape. Then tap Continue. Step 4. Enter the green room. Frame yourself up in the preview window. Then tap the red button to join the green room. The green room is where you interact with the broadcast hosts and other guests before the broadcast begins. Step 5. Get ready to go live. Once your broadcast starts, you'll see clear indicators of who is live and who is backstage. Step 6. When you're finished, tap the Leave button, and you're done. Both the video recording of the finished broadcast, as well as your isolated video feed, will save to your host Socialive library. Finally, with the Socialive mobile app, you can live stream video to one or more distribution channels, including social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, internal comms platforms like Microsoft Teams, and your websites and apps. Here's how. Step 1. In the Socialive app, tap Go Live from the bottom menu. Step 2. Tap Start a Live Broadcast. Enter your video title and social post text. Step 3. Select your distribution. Pick the channels where you want to live stream your video. You can simulcast across multiple platforms and pages by clicking the Add button. Step 4. Turn your phone landscape, then tap Continue. Step 5. Start your live stream. Frame up using the preview look. When you're ready to go live, tap the red button. When you're finished, just tap End Broadcast. A recording of your broadcast will be saved automatically in your Socialive library. Pro tip: with the Socialive mobile app, you can also live stream a recorded video. Just tap the Live Stream a Video option. Choose a video from your phone's camera roll, upload it, and start your broadcast. That's all it takes to live stream video from your phone. The Socialive mobile app makes it easy to capture, create, and distribute video content, all with just your phone. Let's get started.